Alright, tubes and two bits. Y'all see we done got the pulley kit installed on this ls3. Shout out to my guys over at CVF, man. They always make sure, man, they got a wonderful product for us. So we did this one here with the VVT and the attached power steering. What's up? Yeah, like I say, man, this ls3, man, we done painted this thing all the way up, man. Nice blue to match, laser blue, matter of fact, to match this dunk here. Intake, valve covers. Got to put everything back on it together. We did the attached power steering on this one here. So we'll be putting the new lines and stuff on. Like I say, man, that billet polish kit, man, it comes with the water pump, the brackets, the alternator, the power steering, the AC, the belt, all of the fitments, man. One shot, one kill. Man, you cannot go wrong with that, man. This is the mid mount. So it looks awesome once it gets on and gets together. I couldn't ask for a better setup. Easy to install. Directions are simple. It's pretty much dummy proof. So if you like it, man, make sure you shout them out. Tell them Stitched by Slick sent you. We got this big 6L80 going in it as well. Like I said, we did a nice little cam in us, a nice little small cam. Nothing too crazy. My guy said he want to get in it, drive it. I do have some covers for it as well. So next we'll be setting this sucker over in the car, which is going to be the fun part as soon as my guy round here get back. This is going to be the fun part. Put the sensors back on, coolant sensor, or everything where it can read off of the computer. I'm waiting on the new valve cover gaskets. They should be in tomorrow. So we'll be putting new valve cover gaskets on it and getting those things bolted down so we can put the core packs on. We got headers coming for this one as well. 1 3/4. 1 3/4, 1 7/8, whatever size round here it said is best for the ls3. Help it breathe. I think 1 3/4. Speed engineering on those, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I know y'all ready for this one here, because I'm ready to set this sucker over in here, man. The wheels, the rear end should be back for this car in about another week. In about another week, man. 410s posi. We had it shortened 3 inches on each side, like I said before. And we finna start putting that sucker in. So we got the new, put the Holley oil pan. We put the Holley oil pan on this one as well, where it's low rise oil pan on this one. Sits back off of that frame a good bit. So all of that'll work. And the Dirty Dingo engine mounts, the adjustable engine mounts on this one. The Dirty Dingos. 823 heads. Like I say, man, we'll clean all of this stuff off like we was taught. Clean all of that stuff off so we get a nice proper seal like we always do. Well, we don't really have a lot of major issues, so. That's that on that, man. Well, y'all see this fine dine ls3 with the new CVF pulley kit installed. Getting ready to slide it into the engine bay here in a minute, man. Look at Candyland over here. Sheesh. Look at Candyland over here. What y'all want to see next? Y'all know that box about to drop. What y'all want to see next, man? I'm out of here. I'll be back in a minute.